Alright, so what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing our CJRB Lago. Beautiful, beautiful knife. If you haven't checked this out, please do so. Button lock, great knife. But today we're going to be Cerakoting our CJRB Lago. Thank you for coming to another episode of Burkle Cerakote in the Shop. And if you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel. Share out the video. We appreciate all the love and support. You guys are awesome. It allows us to do these projects. Come quite accustomed to this knife. I mean, it is a little hard to do it from the thumb, but it is possible. Just have to figure it out. And then it is possible as well to do it from the middle finger. So, and if you don't want to do either of those, they have the spine on the back for it. But go check CJRB out. Awesome knife. And let's get cracking.
Knives so sharp they speak no lies, gleam of metal under skies, cars and cycles clad in pride, paint to fire where shadows hide. In the silence colors melt, armor strong under my belt, gleaming shades on every line, Cerakote the world shine. So sharp they speak no lies, gleam of metal under skies, cars and cycles clad in pride, paint to fire where shadows hide. In the silence colors melt, armor strong under my belt, gleaming shades on every line, Cerakote the world shine. Craft of patience, code of grace, sculpt the world in quiet space, guns and tools in units long, Cerakote where we belong. In the silence colors melt, armor strong under my belt, gleaming shades on every line, Cerakote the world shine.
And okay, guys, and we're back. So this one's going to be interesting. We've never done this before, another first. But we're going to do a Damascus pattern, beautiful pattern. We're going to do a Damascus pattern on our blade, and of course, not all this is going to fit on our blade, but we're going to trim it out around the blade, and hopefully that's how it'll work. But I'm not 100% sure yet, so we got to do this. Awesome. So let's do it. First color of the day, Christmas red. No, actually it's Firehouse red. But now we must do a little tinkle sprinkle of our hardener. FYI, Johnny, there should be plenty of stencils in this one. If everything works out according to plan, anyway. All right. All right, let's do it. Okay, so this is one of the hardest stencils I've ever had to put on. Check this out, guys. Is it going to look amazing? Yes. Was it hard? Extremely. So let's see how this pans out. Okie dokie, guys. Next color is going to be a black, so let's just hope it comes out sweet. Okay. And there's our button. Alright guys, here's our blade. Oh, let's hope it comes out awesome.
Hot day, sweat, bore, suffocating heat. Hands staining color of fight sharp edges to meet. Breathe deep, fumes Cerakote through the lung. Every new coat protection screams from the tongue. Steel of the blades to blazing lights. Grit and grind will pay for the pride. Sunrise to dusk, he strokes with the brush. Chasing perfection in every flawless run. Though in his struggle, trees catch fire. Hands of the worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color and armor, a craftsman's creed. Body and soul, the path of bleed. Storms in the mind, but steady the hand. Reflect his spirit on cold metal land. Slays the brown like acid rain. Forge of survival ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bites to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament goes of the fight. Struggle, dreams catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless nights, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color in armor, color in armor, color in armor, caress in paint. Color in armor, a cross in paint. Fortune of final, ingrained with pain.
Fuck the people. Vastivating, the Palabinus, forge of survival, ingrained with pain, touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome, vision of battle and calling it home. From bikes to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament, ghosts of the fight.
Color and number, calling in great. Color and number, and calling it home. Buffalo rolls the skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bikes to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament goes of the fight. Color and number, across and rate. Fortune of final, ingrained with pain.
Fuck Apple.
Got my hands stained black, brush the metal and the flames up. Cold lives in the grind slap. Daybreak still on the attack. Steel beast in the firelight. Motorcycles shine so bright. Knives and guns in the twilight. Hardcore blood in every night. Steel beasts in the firelight. Motorcycles shine so bright. Knives and guns in the twilight.
Do have to say, guys, I think this is one of the coolest paint jobs I've ever done. Look at that. Oh, that's so sexy. Put it in the computer.
Save your pity for the weak!